So apparently we have the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4's new wallpaper design. Hello guys, Noors here. Every new Samsung phone that hits the market ships with a new wallpaper design. And it's the same thing for the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4. And it looks like the new wallpaper design were leaked through Samsung's latest One UI Watch 4.5 beta firmware for the Galaxy Watch 4. They are unlike the previous watch faces, so supposedly they should reflect the wallpaper design that the Galaxy Z series will end up using. The images are in low resolution and too blurry to be used for a smartphone wallpaper. The two foldable phones expected to be revealed on August the 10th alongside the Galaxy Watch 5. So we have to wait to see if these wallpaper leaks are true. That's today's news. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe so I can give you every news or rumor about the Samsung Galaxy devices. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.